Established in 2013, AlunoTec has been in the front line of outdoor shading industry for years, specialized in aluminum pergolas, as well as optional add-ons to complete your outdoor living setup. We've been dedicating to upgrade and develop new product ranges to meet a variety of customer demands for garden shading and others as a package. So welcome your visit for cooperation.
We have a dedicated team of over 70 people from our sales team, technical team, customer service team, workshop and warehouse staffs, as well as the marketing and purchasing department. All of our team members are offering our customer the best service from the start to finish of their buying experience.
Raw materials will be kept in the specific area and fabrication will be organized according to orders.
This is where all the cut profiles and accessories will be carried out. The high standard inspection to ensure the high quality goods are delivered.
All the parts will be packed by the automatic wrapping machine with high efficiency. PE foam is used inside the carton box to avoid possible damage to the parts. Finally, they will be well packaged and protected by the strong carton boxes with labels.
And that's all about AlunoTec's company and manufacturing facilities. Just as our tagline, build your pergola. AlunoTec will always inspire you to build a better outdoor living space, and we hope to get inspired from you for more innovation.